mind the Thestrals. They're clever and useful, they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to run with the Scroots before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
There's no need for that. Well, I think that's enough for today. We should probably head back. We'll pick this up later. That bike's on 10 here.
Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind dropping. His barks are worse than his voice. No, don't panic, Will. Oh, no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. You're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Ooh, that was close. Oh, you found my missing Scroots. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, Scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.